Miss Boner, I received your question. Here I've laid it out. You want to determine whether this is a valid or invalid argument. So this one goes well beyond the homework assignment. What you got to do is create a truth table and find out if this column, they have to all come out to be true for it to be a true statement. If any of them are false, then it'd be a false statement. So if you look up here, you got P implies Q. I put that in parentheses. You have R or P. I have that in parentheses. Connect those with an and. So that you would have to work this part out first, and then you got implies Q here. And so you need to fill this all out and see what this column comes out to. I guess they can. I don't know if I've got space here for it all, but they can all three be true. You can have true, false, true here. You can have true, false, true. And then you can have true. Let's see, true, false, true, true, false, false. I'm gonna run out of space here, but you just continue on down through here, and then you need to calculate this part. So P implies Q. The only way it can be, let's see, it's true. The only way it's ever false is if you have this is true and that's false. So I look over here, these two columns. So true, true. That would give me a true here. True, false. That's the only way I can get a false out of it. And then here also I have a true, false. So that one would be false. And then again I have a true, false. And so looking at this, all three of these are true, false, and so that would be false. Let's see. And so then we have P or R or P. And so let's see, that's going to be these P or R. It's going to be these two columns. It's true unless you have two falses. So I look down through here, I have these are true, and then I have various ones here. But since I have at least one true, this column's always going to be true. Now I need to compare these two columns with an and an and's only true if both of them are true. So this one would be true and the rest of them would be false. And then here I'd copy over the Q column. Let's just copy over to Q. So I have true, false, false, false. And so now I need to compare this column with this column. It's if then. Let's see, that true implies true. That would be a true. This is the final answer. False implies false would be true. So these are all going to be true. The only way you get a false is if you have a true and a false. So I don't have true, 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 true. I would need to finish this table. I've run out of space, but I need to finish all the options and have all truths here for it to be a valid argument. We can talk further about this more on the phone tomorrow if you want to complete this.